Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And you're looking at one of Ken's new improved cowl bumpers, and we're getting ready to install it on Jeff's very nice Tiger. And here's why we're installing it. When this is in place, right here, see this crack? Because when you push this button, this tends to flex. And it has flexed it here. Now, they've already had a doubler on the back side up here, and there's a doubler in the metal that you can see right here at the top. So we've already been doubled, but we've still got a crack coming. So we're putting in this cowl bumper, and when it's all pop riveted into place, now when you push on the cowling will actually push on the cowl bumper and not put any more stress on here. Why they didn't, Ken's been wondering why they didn't do it on the originals from the factory once they discovered the problem, but that's a discussion for another day. But that's just how quickly they are. They already come pre-assembled. You put them up, you mark where they're going to go, you drill the 3 holes, put in the, it's a 1601-0414 AVEX rivet. The 14 is the length, and that's going to secure it, and then we won't have this problem. We'll be back in just a minute with it all put back together, but we thought you might find this useful, so stand by for one bit more fun. Alright, so now that we have the cowl bumper pop riveted, and it's just 3 rivets on the firewall, and as you can see how sturdy this is now, when you push on this, nothing moves. It's solid. So this crack is not going to go anywhere anymore. So we hope you found this useful and informative. I'd like to thank you for watching our channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman.